very important and one of the very difficult question. If you can answer that one, then I'm going to give you one chocolate seal. Even though we are not in the physical class, I will Google Pay that. It is one of the difficult question. It is asked in year 2002 for 2 marks. If you can answer that, I'm going to give you 5 minutes. I will give you one chocolate. Okay. This is one of the very difficult question. Because whatever we have seen in recurrence, they are making the questions very difficult. So if you don't do the previous year question, then in gate exam, if they will ask you some difficult one, then you will say that Suraj sir hasn't did these things in class. So I don't want to take the blame that I hadn't did. Okay, that's why I'm doing all these things. So we have to solve the value of t m square. For t m square we have to solve, means for t m square we have to find, and m is greater than equal to 1, means this equation we have to apply. Now, for if it is n plus 1, then we are decreasing by 1. Then if it is m square, then it will decrease by t m square minus 1. Then I will take the root of whatever thing we are having here. So I will take root of m square and then the floor. Okay. Now in place of t m square minus 1, I will again decrease by 1. T m square minus 1, then it will go minus 2. Again decrease by 1. Then I will take the root of that. Floor of root of that m square minus 1. Floor of root m square. Okay. Now you got t m square minus 2. So that again I will write. Okay. So you got t m square minus 2. Floor of root m square minus 1. Then floor of m square. Okay. Now this how you will write t m square again reduce by 1 3. Then take the floor and then root of that m square minus 2. Okay. Floor root m square minus 1. Floor root m square. Okay. Now see, it is m square minus 3, then it is root over. If it is 3, then here it is 2, then 1, then 0. Okay. So if you will assume it as k, then it will be k minus 1, then k minus 2. Like this it is going. So if you see, if it is 3 here, then it is 2. So it will, if I am assuming this term as k, then it is m square minus k. Then it will go to floor of root over m square minus k minus 1. Then floor of root m square minus k minus 2. Like this it will keep on going, plus you are going to get root over m square. Root over m square we are going to get floor of that, like this. Like this it will keep on going. Okay, now you have to substitute in place of m square k as 1. You have to make m square k is equal to 1. Now m square k is equal to 1. How you can, k will go in right hand side, then m square minus 1. So in place of k, if you will write, in place of k, if you write m square minus 1, then we will get 1. Okay, then we will get 1. If you're done with the writing, then you can please let me know. So now in place of k, I will substitute m square minus 1. Okay, so it is t m square minus m square minus 1. In place of k, I have substituted m square minus 1, m square minus 1, then plus root floor of that m square. What is that? Minus k is your m square minus 1, then minus 1. Then you are going to get floor of root m square minus m square minus 1 minus 2. Okay, see, it is going your minus 2. Then similarly it will go floor of m square minus m square minus 1 minus 3. Okay, it will keep on going like this, then you are going to get, you are going to get, it will keep on going like this. Okay, then you are going to get 4 of root m square. Okay, see, I have written. Now I will open the bracket here, that you are going to get m square minus m square then plus 1. Okay, then 4 root of that m square. So it minus m square and minus 2 is going to, if here it's minus 2, minus minus is going to be plus. So you're going to get plus 2. Then here you are going to get m square, then again minus m square, then plus 3 you are going to get. Then again floor of that. This all these things should be in floor. Okay, all these things should be in floor. Floor m square minus m square plus 4. Okay, like this it will go till root over m square floor. Okay, if you are done with the writing, then you can let me know. So you are going to get here, this will get cancelled, you are going to get t of 1. Then here it will get cancelled, root 2 floor. Then this thing will get cancelled, root 3 floor. Okay, 3 floor. Then here root 4 floor. Similarly, root 5 floor. Similarly, root 6 floor. Like this, it will keep on going till root m square floor. Okay, till m square floor. So you are getting t of 1. T of 1 is equal to what? T of 1 is equal to 1. So you are getting here t of 1 is equal to 1. Okay, then you are getting root 2 floor. Then you are getting root 3 floor. Then you are getting root 4 floor. Then you are getting root 5, like this, root 5 floor. All the numbers you are getting, root 6 floor, then root 7 floor, then root 8 floor, then root 9 floor, then root 10, then root 11, like this, then root 12. See why I am writing, because you will able to understand how this equation is performing. Okay, root 12, then root 13, like this, till you are going to get, see, it was having m square, root of m square, you are going to get m here. Okay, you are going to get m here. Now 1 only. Then root 2 floor, so we are going to get root 2 is equal to 1 point something, you are taking the floor of that, you are going to get 1. Root 3 is again 1 point something, you are taking the floor, you are going to get 1 only. Now root 4 is going to be 2. Root 5 floor is going to 2 only. Root 6 floor is again going to be 2. Root 6 floor again going to 2. Root 8 floor again going to 2. Now root 9 floor you are going to get as 3. That's the trick. Then again root 10 floor you are going to get 3, 3, 3, 3. Root 13, then root 14 again. Root 14 floor, 15 floor, till root 16, because root 16 floor is 4. So then again 3, again 3, then it's 4, till it will keep on growing 1, 2, 3, 4, like m minus 1 you will get, then plus m. So it will go 1, 2, 3, 4. So you are going to get m minus 1 also, many m minus 1. So I'm writing just 1. Okay, till m you are going to get. See how many 1 you got? 3 into 1 you got. Then how many 5 2 you got? 5 into 2 you got. Then how many 3 you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 you got. 7. Very good. 7 into 3 you got. Okay. So it is taking the double. It is taking the double of that plus 1. It is taking the double. See, whatever number you are getting, 1, 2, 3. So 2 double is 4 plus 1. 2, 1 double is 2 plus 1. 3 double is 6 plus 1. So if it is m minus 1, then how many term you are going to get? 2, 2 m minus 1. 2m minus 1 plus, okay, 2m minus 1 plus 1 into m minus 1 plus m. Please let me know whether it is clear or not. Now, so what we will do, we will write m. So Now we'll write as a summation I equal to 1. It's going to from 1 to m minus 1. And you please share this video to your friends also, so that they can answer this kind of questions in GATE exam. Okay, so that it will be helpful to them also. So I'm increasing. See, you are getting here I 1, 2, 3, 4 like this till m minus 1. Till m minus 1. M I have written separately. The m I have written separately. Then till I'm doing the summation I equal to 1 to m minus 1. Okay. So I equal to 1 to m minus 1. You write how you will write. You are going to do if 2i plus 1 into I. See, if I is your 1, then 2i plus 1 is your 3. If I is 2, then 5. Then I is 3, then tell me 7. So that's whatever term we are getting, we are doing double, then plus 1. Okay, that's why I have written like this. Now, now in place of this, you can write sigma I plus 1, I equal to 1 to m minus 1. It will be 2 I square, then plus, then I equal to 1 to m minus 1. You will get I only, you will get I only. See, that I am multiplying. Okay, here you are going to 2 I square, here I. And please share these videos with your friends also. Okay, because I'm not going to repeat all these things. Now this is a constant. You know that in sigma, constant will come in the beginning, m minus 1 I square. Then here sigma I equal to 1 to m minus 1 I. Okay. Now see, it is like 1 square. It is like 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, then 4 square. Now see, you know that it is in square. If I'll write in square of a natural number, you know that it is going to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is the formula. And here it is going till m minus 1, and here it is going till m minus 1. If I'll write in m minus 1, then in place of n, I'm going to write m minus 1, then m minus 1 plus 1, then 2 into, then here I'm going to 2 into m minus 1, like now right here. So 2 m minus 1. Okay, then you are going to get m here because it will get cancel out. Then 2 into m minus 1, you are going to get 2m minus 2 plus 1 by 6. Okay, by 6. Similarly, we will write it is 1 to sum of n natural number. Sum of n natural number, you know that it is n into n plus 1 by 2. But here sum of till m minus 1. Okay, here its sum is till m minus 1. So how you have to write? How you have to write? So your formula is n into n plus 1 by 2 for this. But here sum is still m minus 1. So in place of n, yeah, you will write m minus 1. Then again here m minus 1. In place of here m minus 1 plus 1, you are going to get m only. So m. Right. Okay. Now we will solve this and we will get the answer. So it is 3. It is 3. So you got m plus. You got m plus m square minus m. M square minus m. Okay. Then you got 2m minus 1. 2m minus 1 by, you got here 3. Got here 3 plus m square minus m, here again m square minus m plus 2. See, if you are done with the writing, then please let me know. Is it done? This is the rough one. Okay, is it done? Fine, I'm assuming that you are done with the writing. Okay, yeah. So you got this. Now take the common. Now take the common term. So you are going to get as a, if you take the LCM, you are going to get 6. So you are going to have 6m. Okay, and then this also you can do the, so it is going to be 2. I am doing the multiplication. Okay, 2 into this, so 2m cube minus 2m square minus m square plus m. This I did the multiplication. 2m I multiplied with that. You are going to get 2m cube, then minus 2m square, then minus m square, then plus m. Okay, and here you are going to get 3 3m square minus 3m. Okay, so you are going to get 6m plus 4, uh, yeah, 4m square m cube. Then here is 3 minus 3m square, then 3 into 2 6 minus 6 m square plus 2m plus 3m square minus 3m by 6. Now check whether can you cancel anything. Here it's 3m, here it's 6m. So 6 and here is 2. M term is here. M term is here. Okay, so you are going 6 to 8. 8 minus 3 you are going to get 5. So 5, sorry, 5m you are going to get. Now take m square. Here m square is 4 and no other m square is there. So 4m square, sorry, m cube is not there. Now here you are having minus 6, here you are having plus 3. So you are going to get minus 3 m square by 6 by 6. So you can take in how they have given the answer, they have taken m by 6 outside. So you can take m by 6 as a outside. You are going to get here 4 m square, 4m square minus 3m plus. I have taken from here, I have taken m as common, and from numerator I have taken 6 as common. So you will get here 4m square, then minus 3m, minus 3m, then plus 5. Am I clear? Please let me know whether it is clear or not. So I think that option B is the correct one. B, I think that B is same, 4m square minus, yeah. Understood? Anyone having any doubt? Is it clear?